So, welcome to another video. Yeah, because my wife is the number one and I want to keep her satisfied all the time. I'm going to do something nice to her car. This is her 2020 Renault Zoe electric car. Very nice car, very beautiful colors, but it has not been polished at least for a few years. I did this one once with a hand polish with this turtle wax ceramic polish and wax, and I was very satisfied when I did the hand application. It was very easy, the results were nice, had very good beading and sheeting, but I thought, why not give it a try now that I am more familiar with polishing. And I'm going to be using my Eccentric polisher from Parkside by Lidl. I'm very curious to give this a try. I think it should be easy and I think the results should be better. There's some minor scratches on the car. I did a wash, I did some chemical decontamination, so I'm ready to give this product a try. Here we go, los kids. So, and what do we need for this assignment? We have the Eccentric polisher from Lidl, entry-level polisher. I'm using the red pad. We have the turtle wax ceramic polish and wax. This bottle has been open for almost 2 years, so I'm going to shake it well. I hope it will still perform. We're going to find out. We have 2 microfiber towels for buffing off the residue of the polish. And we have fully optional but very delicious this monster for extra powers. I have a bit of a cold, so I'll try not to speak too much. I'll just give you my opinion how it goes, and let's look at the application process and the final result together. Let me know if you polish your car. Do you use dedicated polish, or do you like to use one-step polishes that actually do 2-in-1? That polish and also protect. I'm a really big fan of those. Write me in the comment. So, and I put a few of these blobs on the pad. Yeah, let me know if I'm doing it right. So I first distribute the product, and then what I do is I go in a little bit higher setting and I spread it around, and then I go in the highest setting to really polish the car good. Sehr schön. There's a lot of vibration, but you could do this with one hand if you wanted to. And then drink a monster in the other hand. Ah, sehr schön. So, to buff it off, I'm going to use this microfiber wash mitt. And I think I've used too much product because it's spreading around a little bit. But yeah, I always say more is more and less is definitely not more. But in this case, it would have been better not to use too much of the product. Because yeah, then it becomes more hard to buff off, but I'm always a little bit worried. Yeah, I'm thinking, yeah, I need to use a lot of product because else there's not enough lubrication and something bad will happen. Yeah, let me know in the comment whether that's true. Probably I just use too much. So the good thing about using an Eccentric polisher like this is that if you do this manually, of course it takes much longer, and with this you can have so many more rotations. So theoretically the result should be better and it also should be faster. Let me know in the comments if that's true. I think, yeah, I mean, for a guy like me who doesn't polish his car too often, I think this is really nice to have. So, and just wipe off the residue. You really need to have more microfiber towels than the ones I had, preferably a bit higher quality, because yeah, the towel will get saturated, and then it becomes more and more difficult to buff this off. Here we have a bit of a scratch. Hope you can see. Here's the scratch here. Let's see if we can polish this one off with this Turtle Wax 2-in-1 polish. That is really, really nice. You see, the scratch is completely gone. So this product, despite it being an all-in-one solution, does remove small to, yeah, let's say small surface scratches like this. Sehr schön. So, in case you're interested in this Parkside by Lidl Eccentric polisher, almost the whole car done. And as you can see, we have still, well, it was orange just earlier. So this 4 ampere-hour battery should last you a whole car. Sehr schön. Yeah, I'm basically done with the whole car now. I'm really impressed with this. It's very easy. I have the feeling also that I cannot make any mistake. I really like these products that are basically fault and idiot proof, because I sometimes like to make stupid mistakes. So yeah, like I said, two really nice products. I mean, you have this Turtle Wax ceramic 2-in-1 polish and wax, which is very gentle on the paint, but does, as you've seen, it gets scratches out and it puts protection on the car. And I think once we get to the sun, we'll see some really nice shine. So I really like this. Also great value for money. Yeah, and then if you pair it with, let's say, an entry-level Eccentric polisher like this one from Parkside and Lidl, I don't think you can do anything wrong. The only advice I would give is that if you do this for the first time, play around with it on a small area and see how it goes. And here, for example, you have these edges that go up. On the top, the paint is probably the weakest. So just be gentle and like curve along the side, and don't go on the top with the polisher. Because depending on what type of paint you have, for example, my car is a Tesla, they're known to have soft paint. I'd be a little bit careful around those edges. But I mean, very nice product, I really like it. Let me finish up and we'll look at the final result together. Sehr schön. So, all done with the 2-in-1 polish and wax. Let's look at the final result. I can really see that the car's paint has come back to life. Looks very beautiful. You can really see that the color depth has completely returned. And yeah, this is like what the original paint used to look like. Very nice. I'm also very pleased that we managed to remove the small scratches with this 2-in-1 polish. So, and let's do the beading and sheeting test. First do the beading. Sehr schön. Very nice small droplets. And as you can see, they're flying off the car, which is very beautiful. Very nice result. Now let's do the sheeting test for this Turtle Wax ceramic 2-in-1 polish and wax. Also very nice, see? No place for the water on this car. And the dirt will just fly right off. I am very happy with the result. That was totally worth it. Let me know if you've given this product a try too and how long it lasts. Sehr schön. So don't be like me, don't be scared. Give this 2-in-1 ceramic polish and wax from Turtle Wax a try. And get yourself a nice Eccentric polishing machine. You cannot do anything wrong if you have something like this. The results are really nice. Let me know if you've used it and you have similar experiences. Follow me for more videos like this. I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Auf Wiedersehen.